We should get Bill in here. He can f***ing talk all day about these nozzles. Hey Blasters, welcome back. So again, we're going to go over the nozzles. Stop. It's going to be rusty by the time you're done. Yeah. This is all getting f***ed. I just want to start all over from f***ing scratch. Hey Blasters, Sean from Blue Dog Blasting. Today we are doing episode 5 of our nozzle series. This one we're going to go over the angle nozzles or sidewinder nozzles as we have them labeled on our website. Stay tuned. Hey Blasters, episode 5 of our nozzle series. Today we're going over the angle nozzles. So these come in a wide variety of different nozzle holes, anywhere from double, triple, or even quadruple, as well as our single angle nozzle, which means that it either has 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, or 4 holes. Also comes in a couple different varieties as far as tungsten or boron, and you can also get it in your standard 1¼ thread, or what we have here, which is contractor 2-inch thread. So these nozzles you're going to find anytime that you're going to be doing bridge lattice, or behind flanges, or even inside pipe IDs where you got to get in and kind of blast the inside of a pipe, or anytime that you're in a really cramped, tight space where you just can't turn your nozzle, have a whole bunch of hose hanging out from behind there, as well as about 6 to 8 inch worth of nozzle, and you just can't get into that tight space. You could use an angle nozzle, and the angle comes in and you can kind of get in and blast that way instead of straight ahead. So our single angle nozzle is a 30-degree angle, whereas our triple nozzle is a 45-degree angle. These are made in anywhere from a 0 to 125 degrees from the input, and that's just about all I can tell you about these angle nozzles. It's definitely a good tool to have in your arsenal if you're doing any sort of tight space or lattice work or anything like that. I highly suggest at least putting one into your toolbox. So that wraps it up for us today. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below in the comment section. Like us on Facebook, head over to the website, and get out there and blast.
Get out and blast!
There, that was a lot better.